spark with motoring motivations. So Christie's 2012 Mini Cooper COUPE John Cooper Works, or JCW mod. We basically installed a P3 gauge. It's an LED readout. It's right there. So right now it's in boost mode. It has all different kinds of settings. You can do the oil temperature, the air temperature, look at the battery. There's a lot of neat things by pushing the various buttons. Let's see, right now it's in boost. And 1, not sure what that is yet. And 2, not sure what that is. Coolant, it's temperature, oil, temperature, air. Say air, ambient air is coming in. Ignition, not sure what that is. EGT, I guess to do with exhaust temperatures, I'm not sure yet. Throttle, not sure exactly how to read that. There's RPM shift, so it has the RPMs as you're idling or shifting, so you can have an LED readout. It's pretty much like the computer here, except it has a lot more valuable stuff, and you can just switch through it. If you think your car's getting too hot, or you're getting temperature, you want to see what the oil is. It's a 0-60 setting, ask for ready. I guess what it will do is it'll time you. It's the battery, voltage. So I tend to just let it keep it on boost, but you can switch, check different things. It's a pretty neat gauge, very easy install. There's a lot of videos already out there to tell you about the install. This is just a video showing the upgrade of Christie's as we're building it, as we're adding stuff. It's pretty neat. So there's also a wire that I need to hook up that has to do with the dimming of the lights for that gauge. So when you turn the lights on, it dims, sort of thing. I'm going to do that when I do some other wiring for another install, another component to install. But that's our latest update. Just want to give you a quick fast. These gauges are pretty neat, pretty easy to install. You can get them in and out fairly fast, and it kind of goes along with same coloring, a little brighter than the other lights inside the TAC and Speedo. It's funny, the video shows it as more of a yellow, but it's actually orange. It's just a little brighter orange. So that's the latest update. There's a lot of videos on how to install it. It's pretty neat. We're gonna test it out in her car and see if she likes it. I believe she will. It's easy to just thumb through the different temperatures that you might want to need to get, the different actions in the gauges. Instead of having a cluster of gauges, you have one you can thumb through if you need to. All right, well, thank you.